everybody, Eddie Daniels here with another video. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel before you do anything else. So today I'm going to do a review on a firearm that I'm not used to shooting at all. This firearm is going to be a Beretta. This is the Girsan Regard Beretta. Now I've never shot a Beretta a day in my life. Today is going to be a raw video, straight raw, meaning I have no clue what the recoil is going to feel like. I have no clue the magazine count of this thing. I have no clue how the sights look. I have no clue about anything about this gun. Literally, I just grabbed this gun straight out the gate, have no knowledge on it, so you gotta bear with me. I'm gonna do a review on this thing and I want you to see what I feel about this gun. Now from the looks of things, just by opening this thing, it's a pretty gun. This thing is pretty. I can't wait to shoot it, so stay tuned. Okay, so a couple things that we have here that I'm noticing. We have a Decocker lever here. I like the fact that it's red. We also have a slide stop here, and we have a takedown lever. One of the great things about this firearm that I'm noticing is that we have a mountain rail for a light. As you can see, the recoil is not too much for me to manage. And I also like this gun, however, it is a heavy gun. But check out my grouping. Here's a pretty dope thing about this gun also, the grip panel. As you can see, it has a window on the grip panel so that you can see your ammo when the magazine is inserted into the magazine well. Yeah, man, so I actually like shooting this gun. It's nice and smooth. The slide is smooth. The way it shoots is smooth. The single action is really short on the trigger. But the one thing about this gun is it is heavy. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hands down, I kind of like this gun. It's not one of my favorites, but it is a good gun. It's a pretty gun, and it's really good to shoot. Single action, you got your single action, double action, and a couple other features on that thing, like the Decocker that you don't have on most guns, which is pretty sweet. So if you like this gun, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go out and purchase you one, and remember, aim small, miss small.